I'll give you an example, personal example. A client will go to me and say, Ed, we have a problem, okay, about employee engagement, employee retention, performance, okay, lack of um, skill, whatever it is. The first thing that I do wearing the hat is try to understand what the problem is. Okay? Bakit disengage yung mga employees? Ano yung mga causes? Bakit sila disengage? If people are resigning, where is the resignation coming from? So you try to generate as much data as you can. You look at yung mga exit interview, you interview people, no? You look at possible evidences, no, or clues why people are behaving the way they're behaving. So, kung ang problema, for example, is employee turnover, masyado marami nagre-resign.